I am marked with words. Today, I'll tell you stories you've never heard. Find the bridge to my world. The being of lights.
Oh yeah.
To open your eyes.
Hey man, upon the hill up here, I used to write you. You loved the way I watched the sun through my eye finger. We spent some times to the day we met. Can I fall into your constellation? We drove in the winds, opened the window, waved to nothing just to keep us awake. We drove under the heavy rain, soaking wet. Yes, we laughed at it yet. And tell me more, your constellation.